If we want to use one of the applications available on CloudHPC, one of those applications that can provide us a user interface, we need to start a static instance. This static instance is a machine that remains allocated with a remote desktop for all the times we require it until we press the stop button. In order to start a static instance, we have to select the hardware we want to use. We have to provide a folder where we want to operate, and under the script you can choose any of the script that ends with a -static suffix. We have few of them. One is with mstar CFD, one is with CFmesh Plus, and then at the bottom there are the Ubuntu classes. You choose the static image script you want to use, and then you press save in order to execute the static instance. Keep in mind that to stop a static instance, you must press the stop button and select a hard or a soft stop, depending if you want a quick or a short way to stop it. Once you have started a static instance, here I have an example with Ubuntu 24.04, you'll be provided the remote desktop here at the bottom, and there is a number of applications you can start using the remote desktop. Most of the applications are available directly as an icon in the desktop. For example, Paraview. Just double click on the Paraview icon to start it and wait for the user interface to load. There are many other applications in the desktop that are available for you to open, like for example SU2. This is Paraview that started. We can try SU2. We can try baramFlow. It's always worth remembering that when you are given a folder where to save your file, it's recommendable to use the same folder that you have selected for your simulation, so drone fem in our case, because within that folder everything is backed up in the CloudHPC storage once you soft stop this simulation. Depending on the Ubuntu versions you are choosing, you can have access to different applications. In this example, under the Ubuntu 20.04, I can get access to Salome. Just double click on the desktop and wait for Salome GUI to open. For some applications, there is not an icon on the desktop. In that case, you can always ask our support team to add the icon on the desktop, or you can use the terminal with the provided commands in order to start the applications. I'm thinking about Helix OS that has like a terminal commands to start it, and here we are starting Helix OS. Again, it's recommendable once you save locally the applications to save it into the folder that's backed up on CloudHPC. Down here there is a list of the most common software in the platform and the static instance that you have to start in order to access this specific software, and the methodology to be used to start it is whether it's through the desktop icon, so double click on the desktop icon, or thanks to a terminal command.